So what is up, stargazers? This is Mars V. So today we are talking about post processing for PC and mobile phone or smartphone and other stuff for editing. Before we begin this video, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that whenever I upload it, you'll get notified. So the intro, roll out. So okay guys, we are editing this Milky Way of mine last April 25 when I shot this Milky Way. That's the time when I vlog or give tutorial about the Milky Way. Okay, so for editing, I use Lightroom, Photoshop, and Sequator for PC. Okay, so let's start. Let's open the Adobe Lightroom Classic. So this is the angkalikasan. So let's go to the folder where I put my Milky Way. So click Ctrl A or unclick the unnecessary files because we need the raw file. Okay, so drag to this library. Okay, so click here. Okay, then import. We are importing the files, guys. Okay, then go to develop. So how many are these? 124 frames. Okay, so let's go to the one frame. Okay, click the number one or one file, one shot of yours. Okay, so we are not using a preset, so we will do manual editing. So let's go to this panel. It's called basic. Then we will use to color grade here. Okay, blue. Okay, so temp is 4400 or whatever you want. Okay, then exposure and contrast. Exposure, add some exposure only, then contrast add about 75, 76, 74, around 70 to 80. Then highlights, we need the highlights. Okay, then shadows, whites, blacks, no, minus, we will get to -5. Okay, then down to the details. Details. Okay, down to the details, amount, radius, detail. Please follow my steps. Tone curve, no, we're not going there. Okay, so textures, clarity. Let's go to the clarity. The haze. Okay, contrast, shadows. Okay, so this is it, guys. Okay, then after that you edit the first photo. Please click Ctrl+A. You can select all of the photos. Then click sync, check all, and synchronize. Good. So we are waiting for some minutes to do this automatically. Okay, so we're done. So all of the photos have synced already. Okay, Ctrl A, then right click of the mouse, then go to export, then export. Okay, so I'm putting this name as Milky Way 25 because this is April 25. Okay, then let's go export. The exporting is done. Okay, so the next one is the stock photo, on how we are going to stock the photos. So okay, so we are closing this Lightroom, so let's skip this time. Okay, let's go to sequator. Please the sequator. Click the sequator, guys. Okay, that's image. Okay, please add star images. So when I export my images from the Lightroom, it goes to the Lightroom. Okay, then it has the folder. Okay, so we are stocking the Milky Way photos. So we are selecting 23 items. So we are stocking 23. Okay, so the category here is star images, noise images, and vegetating images. So we are going to click star images. So click OK. Okay, so click the output, double click, then please use JPEG. File name is Milky Way. So I tried some of this. Okay, go to composition, freeze ground, composition, align stars trails. So we are going to align the stars and go to sky region. Okay, then if you want to have the smaller one, please hold the Alt key, then scroll down on your mouse like this one. Okay, so let's fill the area where the Milky Way we have nothing to do with other settings. So okay, so let's start. Okay, the composition exporting, it takes a few seconds or minutes. Okay, the processing is done. Okay, so let's close this, then Alt tab to the Milky Way. Okay, where's that now? Okay, so we are going to the folder where I export my Milky Way. So let's go to Milky, new folder, Milky Way. Okay, let's see the difference. Okay, look guys, the noise has reduced because of the stock photos. Okay, let's do it. Then we are comparing this. Look at that guys, then look at this. This one has the more noises of what we have. Okay, then this one has the less noises because we stack the photos. Okay, so we're done with stacking the photos. So right now we are doing the time lapse on how. Okay, Milky Way, Milky Way, Milky Way. So we have the stock photos. Okay, so I'm using Premiere Pro 2019 for having the time lapse. So okay, so we are here at the home of Adobe Premiere. So let's go to File, New, then Project. Let's rename this Milky Way 25. Okay, editing, and let's go to the folder of Milky Way that we have edited a while ago. Then drag all of this in this timeline. So we have imported these files here. So please click Ctrl A or highlight with the left mouse, then right click, go to speed duration. Duration is about 1 minute. Let's go to 01. No, Control. Okay, So we are having this one only 1 second, all of the frame. Then if you want to have the music background, please click only like that. Okay. Okay, so we are exporting this, guys. Okay, so right click here, guys, then mark out here, what, then Control M. Okay, then format is H.264, then presets is, if you are uploading to the Facebook, please click Facebook 1080 or Facebook 4K Ultra. Or if you are uploading this to the YouTube, please click here, YouTube 480, 720, 1080, and 4K. And also Vimeo is here, mobile devices, and high quality. But we are uploading this on Facebook, so we are clicking this 1080p full HD. Okay, so let's export. Okay, so if we're done exporting this sequence, okay, so the noise, speed, beast. Okay, guys, so we are ending up this video here because it's been a long time. Okay, guys, so to the next video we are going to have a short tutorial about post-processing for the smartphone. Okay, guys, so if you want this video, leave a comment. Then if you have a suggestion, please leave a comment, guys. So we are trying to speak in English. Okay, so we're done, and happy and enjoy stargazing. This is Mars. Peace out.